Title: The Endless Symbol. Author: Created Out of Space. The Endless Symbol. A mathematical audiobook experience. Opening: Behind Reality. What if eternity is not time without end, but transformation without disappearance? In Created Out of Space, we do not end with infinity. We begin with the wave. A complete wave. Unbroken. Flowing. Creative. Physics already describes this wave. Not with philosophy, but with equations. Today we explore how the endless symbol is written into the laws of the universe. Chapter 1: Conservation is the first whisper of eternity. The first law of thermodynamics states: delta E equals 0. E equals 0. Energy cannot be created. Energy cannot be destroyed. It only transforms. Motion becomes heat. Heat becomes radiation. Radiation becomes matter. Einstein refined this principle. E equals mc². Matter is frozen energy. Energy is liberated matter. Nothing becomes nothing. Everything becomes something else. The wave continues. Chapter 2: Expansion as creative motion. Hubble discovered that galaxies move apart. Velocity equals h0 times distance. V equals h d. The farther a galaxy is, the faster it recedes. Space itself expands, like the surface of an inflating sphere. But expansion follows deeper structure. The Friedmann equation tells us: open parenthesis, a dot over a close parenthesis squared equals 8 pi g divided by 3 times rho minus k over a squared plus lambda over 3. Mathematically written: a squared equals 8g 3 rho k over squared plus lambda 3. Expansion is not chaos. It is structured evolution. A cosmic wave unfolding. Chapter 3: Entropy and Renewal. The second law declares delta S greater than or equal to 0. S greater than or equal to 0. Entropy increases. Yet stars ignite. Planets form. Life emerges. Local order appears. Inside global disorder. Energy flow creates complexity. The universe does not decay into silence. It reorganizes. The wave moves forward. Chapter 4: The Quantum Wave. At the smallest scale, reality behaves as a wave. The Schrödinger equation describes this evolution. H bar partial derivative with respect to time of psi equals h hat psi. Mathematically, E del t equals h psi. The wave function changes, but it does not disappear. Probability is conserved. Integral of absolute value of psi squared dv equals 1. Indefinite integral psi squared dv equals 1. The quantum world transforms. The wave remains. Chapter 5, Spacetime and Curvature. Gravity is not a force. It is geometry. Einstein's field equation. G mu nu plus lambda G mu nu equals 8 pi g over c to the fourth times T mu nu. Written clearly. G plus lambda G equals 8g c t. Matter curves spacetime. Curved spacetime guides matter. Nothing stands still. Everything reshapes. The eternity symbol flows through curvature. Chapter 6, Stellar Recycling. A star transforms. M star becomes M remnant plus E radiation. M underscore star M underscore remnant plus E underscore radiation. Atoms forged in stars scatter across space. They become planets, oceans, life. We are stellar recycling. The cycle is not repetition. It is progression. Wave-like. Chapter 7, From the Beginning. At time t equals 0, t equals 0. The universe emerged from extreme density. Since then, r of t greater than 0, a t 0. Expansion continues. Transformation continues. It never collapses into nothing. Final reflection, the eternity principle. Physics is not the science of endings. It is the mathematics of transformation. Every equation breathes. E equals mc squared s greater than or equal to 0 g plus lambda g equals 8g c t. The universe behaves like a complete wave. Unbroken, creative, continuous. This is the endless symbol. Infinity, endless, perpetual transformation. And we are part of it.